know that most tax professionals provide honest, quality service to their clients. However, each year, some New York State taxpayers fall victim to bad preparers who commit fraud, identity theft, and other scams for their own financial gain. If you plan to pay someone to do your taxes, we'd like to offer a few tips to help you choose a reputable tax preparer. Before you hire a tax preparer, make sure you verify their qualifications. Verify that they have a tax preparer identification number issued to all tax preparers by the IRS. Unless they're a licensed professional, like an attorney, a certified public accountant, or an IRS-enrolled agent, they must also be registered with New York State and post a copy of their registration certificate at their place of business. Visit the New York State Tax Department's website for an online directory of registered tax preparers in your area. You should also ask to see a list of the tax preparer's services and fees and request a written quote for preparing your return. These costs should be based on the complexity of your return and should never be linked to the amount of your refund. An honest tax preparer will ask to see your financial records before preparing your return. These generally include your W-2s, Forms 1099, bank statements, and any relevant receipts. They should also ask questions to see if you qualify for any deductions or credits. Avoid a tax preparer who suggests reporting false information to increase your refund. Make sure you review the routing and account number on your completed return to ensure the refund will go directly into your bank account and not into the tax preparer's bank account. If you're paying tax preparation fees from your refund through a refund transfer or a refund advance, your preparer must give you a written statement of any fees and interest charges. If you're paying your tax preparer in cash, obtain a written receipt. Finally, be sure to thoroughly review your completed return before signing it. If anything is unclear or is inaccurate, please ask your tax preparer to explain and never sign a blank or incomplete return. Your tax preparer is also required to sign the return and must provide you with a completed copy before electronically submitting it to the tax department. Remember, you are responsible for your tax return, so it's important to protect yourself from a bad preparer. If you know of a tax preparer who has or is engaged in illegal or improper conduct, file a tax preparer complaint on the tax department's website.